Hello everyone, today we will see how Messenger AI automation works on Facebook pages. This is a Facebook page of one of our clients. This page mainly sells beauty products. We have fully automated this page. So let's see how it works. The name of the page and all the details have been hidden so that clients do not get any fake orders. Well, normally I ask a first question. Hi, let's see what the reply is. So AI replied to me, "Hi there, how can I assist you today?" Okay, now we ask a product related question. Do you have hydrating hyaluronic acid? Let's see what the reply is. Now AI is checking if we have this product in stock. Let's see what the reply is. Yes, they have this product. The product price is 2,100 and it is 30 milliliters. And it is asking me if I want to order the product. So let's make a dummy with an address and number and name and a quantity, and we place an order. See, they are confirming our order and showing me all our information again to recheck. So I saw everything is correct and the price given is 2,200. So this is the total bill. I ask, then how much the delivery charge is? I ask this in the local language. Let's see what they say. Okay, the chatbot also replies to me in the local tongue. The delivery charge is 50 inside the city and 100 outside the city. Since we have given the address outside the city, that's why the delivery charge is 100. Then we ask, do you have face wash? Okay, let's see what they say. Okay, look, here our AI is asking me what our skin type is, oily or dry or combination or sensitive. So we give it oily. Let's see what it says. We have 3 product recommendations here. So let's see if we take a product from here and place a demo order and see if our order is taken. See, our order has been confirmed and the information we gave is now being rechecked and shown to us again. This is how your AI automation works for us. We do one thing, we check the order sheet a little. Let's see if our order is confirmed. That is whether we are placing the order in our Google Sheet. This is our client's order sheet. So we hide all the information. Just let's check whether our last 2 orders that we placed, those 2 orders have been confirmed. That is whether they have been added to the Google Sheet. See guys, both our orders have been confirmed. Order number, name, number, location, and product category and name, and how many I am ordering the product one by one, and the price of the product. Everything is the same. Everything is perfect. So this is how AI automation works. This is now the next generation. So if you want to upgrade your business, if you want to improve your business, if you want to make it more modern, then you have to implement this AI automation in your business. So this is our total automation, just a short video. We do many types of automation. So feel free to ask me any questions. I will respond to you as quickly as I can.